guys, it's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. Today's video is going to be a very short one. It's going to be an unbagging of something I picked up from Coach. So if you're interested in that, guys, keep on watching. So guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos such as shorts and also long videos. So guys, let's get started. This one, a little backstory. I purchased this one a while ago. I've been so busy with my business that I've got so many packages that I have not been able to get to and unbox or unbag. So this one, guys, says that I purchased this one back in June 25th, 2022, if you can believe it. And I'm just getting around to this now. So let's go ahead, guys, and take them out. So guys, here they are here in their packages. You can see that they are from Coach. Let's go ahead and take them out of the package so you can have a really good look at them. Hope you're having an amazing week so far. Any guesses, guys, what these might be? Like I said, they've been purchased way back in June. And this one is a bangle. Look at this. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the color, guys. Can you see this? Let me just hold the tissue up so you can have a better look. It is in the blue and the mauve, and it is one of their bangles. And I got this one when it was on sale, and I picked it up for $38.40. This one's called the what's it called? It says printed bangle in the blue multi. And like I said, this was a sale item, guys. That is just gorgeous. Love that. So let's go ahead and open the next little package, guys. I can't believe they've been sitting there for this long. That's just craziness, right? So I did pick up another bangle, and this one, sorry for all the rattling of the paper, guys. Oh my goodness gracious, look at the color of this one. Is that not stunning, guys? It looks like enamel with the gold tone metal. It does say Coach on there. This one's coming up as pink multi, and I did get this one on sale as well, so I'm not quite sure if they're available on the website, guys, but here is the two of them together. What is your favorite? I think I'll stack them together. They'll be great for, there's what they look like on my wrist together. Don't mind my hands. I'm a compulsive hand washer, especially with COVID and everything that was going on. But the colors are stunning, right, guys? And I got these ones in the small size. I love them. I love when bangles click together. They're just beautiful. The colors are amazing. Great for summer. Great, the dark one for fall. They're just gorgeous. So guys, that is my very short video for today. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, go over to my Instagram channel at Jandle Smith and follow me on, so guys, if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, go over and do that at Jandle Smith, as well as subscribe to my channel. And as you can see in the background, I do have a few of my brushes. If you're interested in those, go over to jandlemariebeauty.com. We have a sale going on, as well as follow me on Instagram at jandlemariebeauty. You'll see some sales going on there. So Till next time, guys, you have an amazing week and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.